Let's solve this together. It says root of 2 plus root of x is equal to 2. You're going to solve for the value or values of x in this equation, okay? Now the first thing you can do here is to say that let's make root of x subject to formula. If you look at this equation, we have x, okay, on its own, and then we have two constant numbers, okay? So we can just bring out the numbers on this other side and leave the variable on one side. So we have the root of x here would be 2 minus root of 2. Now, at this point, in order to eliminate this square root sign, we can square both sides of this equation. So that we have the x here, okay, because this squared is will give us x, to be equal to 2 minus root of 2 all squared. Now this is equal to 2 squared is 4 minus root 2 times 2 is minus 2 root 2 times 2 is minus 4 root 2. Then we have minus root 2 squared is plus 2. Okay, now this is equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. Okay, so our x here will be equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. If you're going to factorize, you can then express it as 2 into 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, so this is the value for x in this equation. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.